Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to tell if someone read your messages on Discord. So let's get right into it. So guys, first thing you need to know is there is no any of option for read receipt on Discord, because Discord doesn't provide read receipt like other apps. It doesn't matter what device are you using. It is the same to Discord mobile, Discord desktop, but there is a way where you can know your message has been seen or not. If you send message to any person, like I've sent message to this person, and whenever he will respond me, so obviously this person saw my message. So this is the only way to see if someone read your messages on Discord. So that's it guys, how to tell if someone read your messages on Discord. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.